Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks, and I'd like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay 90 proof coconut rum, ounce and a half, with your 90 proof coconut rum, and this is a product out of the Caribbean, imported into New York, New York. I'm going to top it off with this Rockstar watermelon flavored energy drink. Give that a quick stir. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like for me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to David Klueh. So sorry if I mispronounced your last name. David passed away on July 23rd, 2025 at the age of 86. He served in the Navy and he called Indiana home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Above a 10 out of 10. The coconut rum enhances the watermelon flavor. It's just, wow, amazing. Highly recommend it. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. David, may you rest in peace. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.